guys, welcome to our channel Shorthand with Neha. So today's dictation is for the beginners. So we start the dictation within 5 seconds. Start. The invoices and bills of landing for the valencies and lays are ready for dispatch, and the cases themselves are to leave by the Suez Valley, sailing on Wednesday. Full stop. The advices should be with our customers by the 10th of March, and they will do all they can to make a success of the deals. They know the businesses thoroughly, and you may safely leave it to them. It is secretly necessary to emphasize what they themselves know already. Thank you.